Wait a minute. There you go.
Okay, let it go. Okay, let go. Oh, goodness.
Oh. If you call 911.
I'll send them a video.
Okay, get in this door and help me. It's like, I can't, look. It's digging in my stomach. No, right. Can we call 911?
Really?
I really gotta cut this. There's no way.
I can't cut this.
Then you gotta
It won't-
squish your arm down in there. Like where? There ain't no way, is there?
It really ain't funny.
How am I gonna get out? I have to pee. There's no getting out of here. Close the door. I'll go. I'll have to go home and see if Charles can get me out. Where is he? What am I gonna do? I gotta get out.